In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add files to a task in Wrike. Adding files directly to your task is a simple way to keep all your important documents, screenshots, and reference materials in one place, right where the work is happening. Instead of searching through emails or folders, you can attach what you need to the task itself so your team can quickly find and use it. First, open the task where you want to attach your file. Once you're inside that task, look for the plus sign. This is usually used to add different types of content to your task. Go ahead and click on the plus sign. When you do this, Wrike will show you a few options for what you can add. From these options, you'll want to make sure that the Files option is turned on. This might appear as a toggle or a small switch next to the word Files. If it isn't already enabled, simply toggle it on. Turning this on tells Wrike that you want to work with file attachments in this task. After the Files option is enabled, you should see an empty area or an empty table where your files will appear once they've been added. Click directly on that empty table. This is Wrike's way of inviting you to start adding content. Clicking in this area will open up a set of on-screen prompts. Now, just follow the on-screen prompts. Wrike will guide you through the process step by step. Typically, you'll be asked where you want to upload your file from. You might see options like selecting a file from your computer, choosing from a connected cloud storage service, or even attaching something that's already in Wrike. Select the source that works best for you, then choose the file you want to attach. Confirm your choice, and Wrike will upload the file and display it in that table within the task. Once it appears there, you'll